Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Skilling course.
Let's see how to change the case of text. Change of case means using capital letters, small letters, proper case, etc. Let us see how to use the lower function to change the text of text to lowercase. We want to change the uppercase text in A column to lowercase. We will use this formula equal to lower and select the uppercase cell which we need to change the case and tap enter. Now we can see the text has been changed to lowercase. Let us apply this to other cells also. To do this, drag your cursor down or just right click. Now let us see how to change the lowercase text to proper case. In this function, each word will start with an uppercase letter followed by lowercase letters. Let's see how it works. We will use the formula equal to proper and then select the concerned cell and tap enter. You can see the first alphabet in the cell is in uppercase followed by the lowercase. Now let's see how to change the text to uppercase. For that we will type equal to upper and select the concerned cell and tap enter. We can see all the alphabets in the cell are converted to uppercase. In this session, we have learned how to change the case of text. Thank you.